Enterprise wireless networks in hospitals are critical for patient care and daily operations. But traditional ad hoc setups can lead to unreliable connections and unexpected disruptions. That's where Provision's Enterprise Wireless Delivery and Assurance System comes in. Enterprise Wireless Delivery and Assurance is a formal, standards-based system designed specifically for healthcare. It replaces guesswork with a repeatable process that CIOs can trust. The journey starts with careful design, translating clinical workflows and device needs into precise wireless blueprints. Next, engineering ensures capacity, security, and seamless roaming for both clinical and guest devices. Deployment follows strict standards, with thorough testing to guarantee clinical readiness. But it doesn't stop there. The system continuously monitors network health, user experience, and device performance, catching issues before they impact care. This closed-loop approach means fewer disruptions, stronger security, and better patient safety. Built for single or multi-campus health systems, the system delivers wireless as a governed system, engineered for reliability and aligned with healthcare's unique demands. Provision is an industry leader in wireless engineering, network optimization, and automation.